Let's take a tour of the Lion King family suites at Disney's Art of Animation Resort. This is Melanie from polkadotsandpixiedust.com. Welcome back to our channel. Art of Animation Resort is a value resort at Walt Disney World. It specializes in family suites in 3 different themes, and today I'll be sharing a tour of the Lion King suites. The Lion King suites are located in buildings 6 and 10 and are in a perfectly themed jungle area to set the mood. You'll see all of your favorite Lion King characters here to get you ready for the excitement of your room. Unlike other value resorts, the door to your room is located inside of the building rather than on the outside. This does feel a bit more secure, and we really appreciated that. You'll see the theme continue once inside on the carpet, the light fixtures, and the artwork in the hallway. Here's a look at our room, which was located on the 3rd floor. The room opens up to a dining area, complete with dining table that turns into a Murphy bed. And the first full bathroom, which has the vanity separated from the toilet and shower. This makes it super easy to get ready in the mornings if someone is using one of those other 2 things. The bathroom is currently stocked with H2O products in both the shower and at the vanity. Entering the living room, you'll find lots of storage with places to hang things, plenty of drawers, a very large TV, and lots of outlets for charging all your stuff. You'll find lots of jungle detailing in the curtains, the lamps, and the decor all throughout the room. The couch pulls out into a full-size bed, and there's plenty of bedding stored away that you can use if you decide to use this bed or the Murphy bed in the dining room. There's a small kitchenette just off the living room that includes a coffee maker with coffee, a microwave, disposable plates and silverware, a small sink, and a beverage cooler. Going into the bedroom, there's a queen-size bed, and again, plenty of storage, places to hang things, and outlets in here as well. There's also another TV, a safe, and even an iron and ironing board. Inside this bedroom, there's another full bathroom with a walk-in shower. There's also a makeup mirror, which is super convenient. And the bathroom is stocked with H2O products, just like in the first bathroom. let's take a look at this pull-down table bed. Obviously, you're just going to move all these chairs out of the way and then pull down the bed very carefully. This is a full-size bed and was pretty comfortable for the most part. On other Murphy beds at Disney, I would say it's pretty comparable. And again, there's plenty of bedding in the room for the extra beds. There are also reading lights on this bed, and they're super easy to adjust with the dial on the headboard. These rooms also come equipped with the Hey Disney device, which is pretty convenient to use. We had a couple glitches with it, but it's still fairly new, so that may have been why. You can ask for things like extra towels, you can check park hours. We decided to play trivia, which wasn't really trivia at all. It was like way too easy, but it's kind of fun if you have little kids. Ask some Disney questions. It's kind of cute. Overall, we really enjoyed staying in this room. It's spacious and comfortable, and since I was staying there with a friend, having 2 full bathrooms was a complete game changer for us. The big issue with this room, in my opinion, is that it's very echoey, if that's a word, likely because there's not any carpet to absorb the sound, and as the person sleeping on the pull-down bed in the living space, I could often hear loud guests walking in the hallways at night. Prices of these rooms vary wildly throughout the year, and if you can get a good deal on them, they're great for large parties, families, or anyone who wants to be able to have a separate room from their living space. Being on the Skyliner makes it super convenient to both Epcot and Hollywood Studios. Some people say this resort and these rooms are tacky, and that's really just a matter of personal preference. I think they're cute and kids tend to love them. I'll share a full resort tour and review on the channel soon, so be sure to look out for that. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.